Hey, today I'm going to explain my notes on Module 1, Chapter 1, Thinking Critically exam. Give me just 1 second and I will share my screen with you so you can see them. Okay, make this a little smaller. Alright, so for 1A, the problem can be solved easily by using the guess and check method. With the guess and check method, I can come up with two possibilities, both containing 8 in the middle. So here you can see that I did a bunch of guess and check. 8 plus 10 plus 11 equals 29, so that wasn't going to be correct. 8 plus 10 plus 12 equals 30, that wasn't going to be correct. 8 plus 10 plus 13 is 31, so there's one. 8 plus 11 plus 12 is 31, so there's another one. And I went so on, and there I couldn't find any other answers with the possibilities that I found. So there's two possible scenarios, both containing 8 in the middle. In part B, to complete the listed diagram, your best method of problem solving is using a variable. Each diagram provides you with enough information to create an equation to solve for the missing numbers in each circle. So you can see here, the highlighted circles are where there were no numbers. So I started off with 7 plus x equals 12. And I solved for x then, and it got me 5 in the bottom left circle. 7 plus x equals 15, x equals 8, so that gave me the top right circle. 8 plus x equals 20, which x equals 12, and that gave me the bottom right circle. In part 2, I did 6 plus x equals 13, so x equals 7, that gave me the top left circle. 6 plus x equals 21, and x equals 15, that gave me the bottom right circle. 7 plus x equals 11, and x equals 4, that gave me the bottom left circle. In number 3 of this part B, there was no solution. You couldn't get the left side to equal up how it needed to be. The fourth part of this problem, 8 plus x equals 9, so x equals 1, and that gave me the top left circle. 8 plus x equals 18, so x gave me 10, that gave me the bottom right circle. 10 plus x equals 16, so x equals 6 to complete. Alright, so we're going to go down to number 2. When there are 9 square tiles, you need to lay them out so that they make a solid pattern. You will have infinite possibilities. Drawing a diagram or a picture is the best way to solve this problem. In part B, the figure that you could create with the least perimeter is the 3 by 3. You see I drew the diagram here as if a 3 by 3, the perimeter would end up equaling 12. The figure that you could create with the greatest perimeter is 9, and that was a 1 by 9, is a 1 by 9. The perimeter equals 20. In 3A, for the following puzzle, your easiest way to solve is to use the Pascal's triangle concept. Be sure to read the instructions. I ended up getting there are 20 possible ways to get from A to B. And as you can see here, I wrote down all the how each square and each corner. In part B, in this puzzle, you need to physically draw the paths that you may use to get from C to E. Pay close attention to what you were doing. I color-coded the possible paths, and I ended up getting 4 paths here. In number 4, to solve the following addition pyramids, we can use variables of a problem-solving strategy. For each of the incomplete addition pyramids, we can solve by forming and solving an equation. As you can see here, I got my equations, step 1, step 2, and kind of walked you through it. Let's move on to part C. There's all the same concept as the ones above. And number 5, I didn't really have to do any notes because there was already a diagram on the exam module. You just really need to fill in what you knew. In number 6, creating patterns is fairly simple as long as you're open-minded To how to solve this problem since we are drawing a pattern. We will use the drawing a diagram method. So right here, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so that would be then 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, and so on. And then you see where I drew the rectangles, where we had to rearrange the dots into rectangles with 2 more columns than rows as shown below. The formula is n times the quantity of n plus 2. I hope this helped you understand my notes. Thank you so much.